Can DNS leaks expose my browsing data? Have you ever wondered if your online activities are truly private? Today, we are addressing a pressing question. Can domain name system leaks expose your browsing data? This is a topic that impacts anyone who uses the internet, especially those relying on privacy tools like virtual private networks. First, let's break down what the domain name system is. The domain name system translates website names, like example.com, into Internet Protocol addresses that computers use to communicate. When you use a virtual private network, your domain name system requests should ideally be routed through the virtual private network's encrypted tunnel. This process is meant to keep your browsing habits private. However, if a domain name system leak occurs, these requests can bypass the virtual private network and go directly to your internet service provider's domain name system servers or other third parties. This can compromise your online privacy. So, how do these leaks happen? One common reason is misconfigured virtual private networks. Sometimes, a virtual private network fails to reroute domain name system queries through its own private domain name system servers. This often occurs if the virtual private network client is not set up correctly or if you frequently switch networks. Another reason is the lack of Internet Protocol version 6 support. Many virtual private networks only handle Internet Protocol version for traffic. If your device uses Internet Protocol version 6, those domain name system requests may escape the virtual private network tunnel, leading to leaks. Operating system behavior can also play a role. Certain features in operating systems, like Windows 8 and later, can send domain name system requests over all available network interfaces. This can cause domain name system traffic to escape the virtual private network. Additionally, some internet service providers use transparent domain name system proxies that force domain name system queries back to their servers, ignoring any custom domain name system settings you may have configured. Now, why do these leaks matter? Domain name system leaks can reveal your browsing habits, including the websites you visit and when you visit them. Internet service providers can use this data for tracking, profiling, or even selling to advertisers. Malicious actors or surveillance entities monitoring domain name system traffic can exploit this information, potentially compromising your privacy or security. To prevent domain name system leaks, there are some practical steps you can take. First, use virtual private network services that operate their own domain name system servers and explicitly protect against domain name system leaks. Ensure your virtual private network client and operating system are properly configured to route all domain name system requests through the virtual private network tunnel. If your virtual private network does not support Internet Protocol version 6, consider disabling it or using a virtual private network that can securely handle Internet Protocol version 6 traffic. Lastly, test for domain name system leaks using available online tools to verify that your domain name system requests are private. Understanding how network routing and domain name system resolution work together is essential. Domain name system leaks occur when domain name system queries escape the encrypted path intended to protect them, exposing your browsing data to your internet service provider or other observers. Proper virtual private network configuration and awareness of your network environment are key to maintaining domain name system privacy.